Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to use MidJourney AI to create stunning art. Let's get started. Step 1. Join the MidJourney Discord. Head to the MidJourney website and sign up for an account. Once you're registered, you'll gain access to the official MidJourney Discord server. You'll be using Discord to interact with the AI and create your masterpieces. Step 2. Understand the commands. To start creating, you'll use the /imagine command. Type /imagine followed by a description of the art you want. Be clear and specific in your description. For example, you could write /imagine a futuristic city with neon lights at night. The more detailed your prompt, the more accurate the result. Step 3. Generate art. Once you've entered your description, MidJourney will start generating multiple images based on your prompt. This process usually takes a couple of minutes. You'll receive 4 variations to choose from. Step 4. Enhance the artwork. If you find a version you like, you can choose to upscale it or create new variations. Just click the corresponding button under the image, and MidJourney will improve or adjust the artwork based on your preferences. Step 5. Save and share your artwork. After you're satisfied with the artwork, you can download and save it or share it directly with others. That's it. With just a few simple steps, you can create AI-driven artwork using MidJourney. Keep experimenting and let your creativity flow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.